We're checking out the Keurig K-Café single-serve coffee maker, a versatile machine that lets you brew single cups, full carafes, and cafe-style drinks with ease, with support for both K-cup pods and ground coffee. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Keurig K-Café single-serve coffee maker, water reservoir with lid, dishwasher-safe frother, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the Keurig K-Café coffee maker, first fill the removable water reservoir to the maximum fill line, then slide it back into place. When using the machine for the first time, run a 6-ounce water-only brew cycle to prime and clean the system. Once the brewer is ready, lift the handle, insert a K-cup pod, close the lid firmly, select coffee and your desired cup size, then press the K button to begin brewing. For cappuccinos or lattes, fill the frother with milk to the appropriate line, place it on the frother base, and select either cappuccino or latte. After the milk is frothed, pour it into your cup, insert a coffee pod, select the matching drink option, and press the K button to brew the concentrated coffee shot directly into the milk. The brewer also features an auto-off function and an add water indicator to help ensure convenient daily operation. How to clean. To clean the Keurig K-Café coffee maker, start by wiping the exterior with a damp, non-abrasive cloth and mild dish soap. Remove the drip tray carefully to avoid spills, then wash the drip tray and drip tray plate with warm, soapy water. About once a week, clean the removable water reservoir and lid by hand, making sure to remove the water filter first if one is installed. Rinse both thoroughly and allow them to air dry, as drying the inside with a cloth may leave lint behind. After cleaning the reservoir or brewing beverages like hot cocoa, run a cleansing brew by placing a mug on the drip tray and brewing water only using the largest cup size without inserting a K-cup pod. After each use of the milk frother, allow it to cool, rinse it, and clean the frother, lid, and whisk according to the manufacturer's instructions before reassembling them for the next use. Smart features? The dual brewing system lets you brew a single cup using K-cup pods or prepare a full carafe with ground coffee. This flexible design makes it easy to serve one person or multiple coffee drinkers with the same machine. The built-in milk frother creates rich, creamy froth for lattes and cappuccinos in minutes. It helps you enjoy cafe-style coffee drinks at home without needing a separate frothing device. The strong brew option increases the coffee's strength for a richer and bolder flavor. It's perfect for those who prefer a more robust and intense coffee experience. The large removable water reservoir holds more water, so you don't need to refill it frequently. It also detaches easily, making filling and cleaning quick and convenient. Multiple brew sizes let you choose the exact amount of coffee you want, from a small cup to a full carafe. This flexibility ensures every brew matches your preference and serving needs. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Keurig K-Café single-serve coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Keurig K-Café single-serve coffee maker. See you at the next one.